All right, happy Friday. Remember having our Chapter 11 check-in next week, next Friday, a week from today. Today what we're doing is practicing. So I have 4 warm-up problems here, okay, for you. And then I'm going to have you try the worksheet that goes along with them. It's the practice of some of the warm-up problems and some of the stuff we did earlier this week. All right. For this problem, I want you to find the area of the shaded region. So this is our shaded region, by the way. It's kind of hard to tell. All right, all of this stuff. For each of these problems, what you can do is you can pause it if you want to, and then try the problem yourself, and then come back to it, or pause it, try it, then watch it. Or you can just watch it if you're not kind of unsure. For this first problem here, I would do the area of the outer shape. So in this case, the rectangle, which is 9 times 17. And then I would find the area of the square, which is 6 squared. All right, so when you find the area of the rectangle, and the area of the square, the rectangle should be 153, and this should be 36. So the area equals 153 minus 36, which gives you 117 units squared. All right, for this one, area of a parallelogram. Remember, let's go back for a second. Remember, shaded region, I personally like to do the outer shape minus the inner shape. Okay, so for the parallelogram, I got a 60-degree angle, which means I want to drop down a height here. Okay, for the area of a parallelogram, area equals base times height. Well, I know the base is 15, but I don't know the height. So remember now, our little friend, the 30, 60, 90, 60, 30, 90. I got A root 3 and 2A. This 10 represents my 2A sides. It's across from the 90-degree angle. That would make A would be 5. So this piece would be 5, and the height would be 5 root 3. Since my height is 5 root 3 and my base is 15, don't use the 5. Don't use the 5 as your base. Use this 15. The 5 here was just there to help us get the 5 root 3 for our height. Okay? So the area is 15 times 5 root 3. And remember, only multiply the 15 times the 5. That's it. And then leave the root 3 on your answer. Just like that. All right. Next problem here. It says find the area of the whole shape, exclamation point. Wow. I need to find the area separately. Excuse me. I need to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. And add it to the area of the rectangle. All right, to find the area of the triangle, I need to know base times height. Okay, remember your base and your height always make a right angle. So I have the height, but I need the base. So I can call this x. All right, well look, I have a nice right triangle here. All right, I know 2 sides. I gotta find the third, so I use the Pythagorean theorem. This is one of our triples. All right. This is one of our triples. X squared plus 225 equals 289. X squared equals 64. Square root, so x is 8. So the area of my triangle, base times height divided by 2. 8 times 15 divided by 2 gives you 60. Area of the rectangle, base times height, 8 times 3, which gives you 24. Area then equals 60 plus 24, so 84 units squared. Wow. Wow. All right. Last thing, we got to find the area of the trapezoid. This one caused some trouble the other day. all right, on our block day, okay, whether that was a Wednesday or Thursday. Remember, if I have a trapezoid like this, it's an isosceles trapezoid. How do I know it's isosceles? Both of these are the same. Okay, to find the area of a trapezoid, the area is base 1. Oh boy, base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all divided by 2. I know what both bases are, I just don't know my height. Okay, but if I know that this is 8, that makes this 8. 14 minus 8 gives me 6, so that makes this 3 and this 3, which makes this 5. And I can find my h, so I can do 3 squared plus h squared equals 5 squared. This is a triple, this is a triple, this is a triple. H should be 4. And once I know that, I can plug it into my formula on the left. Area equals base 1, so 8 plus 14 times the height, which is 4, all over 2. And you should get 8 plus 14 is what, 22? 8 plus 14 is 22, so I got 44. Let me double check that, I did that mental math. 8 plus 42 times 4, 2. Yeah, I got 44. Beautiful. Great mental math. It checked out. 44 millimeters squared. All right. You should also have this worksheet. Okay, your worksheet should cover these problems. It should be over these problems here. The key to the worksheet should be online, so you could see the answers to the worksheet. Okay, so you can check your work. All right. I will be checking that on Monday. I'll be checking the worksheet on Monday. All right. All right, that's it. Have a great weekend. Stranger danger, make smart choices. Adios.